I'm Jenny, and I work as an architectural designer here, and I work specifically for commercials and small ADU projects with a lot of limitations due to the regulations about ADU. So I really need to think outside the box sometimes. So what I'm currently working on right now is a second Ave project. And it's almost a historical building, but ended up, we find out that it's not considered a historical house, but it has the craftsman style, so we'd like to keep it. So the challenges for a second Ave residential project was that the building was around 100 years old. So throughout the years, there are a lot of additions and maybe a little bit of unpermitted areas. So now the goal is to make the areas permitted. And since there's been a lot of additions and the renovations in the house, the space are not as intuitive and the circulation was kind of broken down. So the goal is to combine what is existing and our proposal into a more cohesive design and provide a more intuitive circulation in the house. And another cool thing is that since the owner of the building, a designer herself as well, so she's very open to different kinds of material. So we're planning to use exposed material in the cabinets and flooring, different kinds of finishings in the house. So it's going to be a very experimental design project.